Hey, Happy New Year! Do some life update. Okay guys, natapos ko yung simbang gabi. 9 out of 9 nights. How about you?
7.
7 out of 9? Ikaw?
Secret.
5 out of 9. We're here to do an unboxing of this Sanrio character. Sinong gusto niyong makuha?
Melody, of course. Sino mo?
Ako gusto ko ito. Asan na yun? I want to get this one or this one.
Wait, tuglo ka pa eh. Meron to sino?
Parang,
Sino kaya?
ay, alam ko.
Pinay-open. Okay.
Sino siya?
Pucha. Pucha! Wait, sa side.
It's okay. Cute pa rin naman siya. Play yan.
Oh,
Diyan
no,
siya
no,
i-display.
3, 2,
Bro.
sira.
Yan, ganyan.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay, yun lang.
Paano siya bubuk?
Don't judge. Giant house of flowers. Music is not music. No way. Yung parang magbibig kayo tapos may isang naka-blindfold. Kasi nakating yung makeup.
Good morning, everyone. So today's the next day. It's December 25, and Merry Christmas! Say hi, Panda! So, hindi ko na masyadong na-video yung ganap kahapon. Mga konting clips lang yung na-video ko. But yesterday, we celebrated and salubong Christmas. We had games dito sa bahay. We had our exchange gift. And games. For today, we will have our lunch dito sa bahay. Kasama yung lola ko from father's side naman. And yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no vlog. I think yung huling vlog ko is nung April pa. I think that was when we went to Boracay. Yeah, yun yung huling vlog ko. And today's December. today is December 27. It's around 1 p.m. And today, I'm getting ready kasi may labas ako with my high school best friend. So, I'm just gonna do my light makeup and maybe do some life update. Yung last upload ko ng vlog was when we went on a vacation sa Boracay. So, medyo na-busy kasi ako and medyo iba kasi yung finocus ko. So, I went on a review for my CPA board exam. This 2024, I took the May CPA board exam. So, sobrang busy ko nung January to April because I was reviewing for the board exam. But then, the May 2024 came and unfortunately, I didn't pass the exam. But that's okay kasi I think marami din naman akong pagkukulang, especially nung undergrad. So, I wasn't expecting. And after that, I decided na I'll continue reviewing kasi may another sched ng board exam for CPA. So, twice in a year nangyayari yung CPA board exam. From June to October, the exam was supposed to be October. And natapat siya ng birthday ko. But then, October came and mag-exam na dapat October 25 to 27. But then, nagkaroon ng super lakas na bagyo. Yun yung sobrang binagyo yung Bicol area. So, the PRC had to cancel the board exam. Kasi unfair din naman sa mga outside Metro Manila na hindi sila makakapag-take and kaming mga Metro Manila takers makakapag-take. So, ayun, na-postpone yung board exam namin October, which was moved to December. Naputol yung momentum namin kasi naka-mindset na kami na mag-exam na kami. But then, after a week pa ata, bago na-announce yung bagong date ng board exam namin. Pero kinaya ko naman, thankfully. December, I took the exam. Ayun, I didn't pass again the second time around, but that's okay again. Kasi, hindi naman ako nahiya na hindi ako nakapasa ng board exam. It's just that for the whole year, I've been doing my best ever since the review season began. Pero sobrang hirap talaga kasi ng CPA, guys. Promise. Feeling ko, pag sinabing mahirap ang accounting, feeling ko sobrang underrated ng mahirap siya. Because it's mahirap. Sobrang hirap niya. But, that doesn't mean na susukuan, but that doesn't mean na give up na ako to take the board exam. So yeah, ayun. But as of now, I'm just here in Bicol, celebrating the holidays with my family. Kasi buong taon, halos nag-review ako and kailangan ko ng break. Ang hirap pala mag-makeup habang nagsasalita. Paano nagagawa ng mga content creators to na magsalita and mag-makeup at the same time? These days, hindi ako masyadong nagli-lipstick kasi laging dry yung lips ko. So what I do, laging lip balm lang yung dala ko or lip gloss. Yeah.
What the hell?